Good afternoon, class. Welcome back from lunch. Everyone have a seat. We're going to have story time today. So I want everyone to sit around me quietly. Take your places. We're going to put on our listening ears and our thinking cap. We're going to go over the rules for story time. Mary, what is rule number 1? Very good. No talking. James, what is rule number 2? Yes, you must raise your hand. Okay, Sarah. Very good. Don't talking while someone else is talking. Well, now we know it's springtime and all the trees and the leaves are growing, like this plant here. So today we're going to learn how seeds grow into beautiful plants. Okay, we're going to read a story today about how a seed grows. This story was written by Helen J. Jordan, and the drawings was done by Loretta Krupinski. How a seed grows. A seed is a little plant. It is a plant that has not started to grow. Apple trees and daisies, carrots and corn, clovers and wheat all grow from seeds. Here is a tree plant, a tree seed. Someday it will be a tree like this. Here is a flower seed. Someday it will be a flower like this. Some seeds grow very slowly. These seeds are the seeds of an oak tree. An oak tree grows very, very slowly. Suppose you planted an oak tree seed. You would be a father or a mother, or even a grandfather or a grandmother. The oak tree would still be growing. As we see the picture of the grandparents, the mother and the father, and the oak tree. Some seeds grow very fast. This is a bean seed. It grows very fast. It grows so fast that it becomes a bean plant in just a few weeks. You can plant bean seeds yourself. We use pole beans. You can use pole beans, bush beans, or lima beans. You can plant the seed in eggshells on tin cans or old cups or little flower pots. Be sure that your container have holes at the bottom. We use eggshells. We use a pencil to make holes in the eggshells. We fill the 12 eggshells with soil like this. What is soil? Very good. Soil is dirt. We made a hole in the soil with a finger like this. When you have made a hole in the soil, plant a bean seed in it. Plant one seed in each hole. Cover the seed with soil. Sprinkle soil carefully with a little water. Number the shells and write number 1 on the first shell. Put number 2 on the next shell and keep going till all of the shells are numbered from 1 to 12. What is Dig doing? What is this picture showing? Yes, it's showing to water in this soil. Put all the eggshells in the egg carton. Put the carton in the sunlight on the window. Some bean seeds grow faster than others. Our seeds begin to grow in the 3 days. Your bean seeds may take a little longer. You won't be able to see your seeds growing yet. They start to grow under the soil where you can't see them. Water your seed a little every day. Water that soaks into the seeds begin to grow. More water soaks into the seeds begin to get fatter and fatter. Wait for 3 days and then dig up seed number 1. It may be soft, it may be fat. Maybe it will look the same as it did before. Soon the seed will grow so fat that the skin will pop off. In 2 more days, dig up seed number 2. Maybe it will look different now. Maybe the skin of the seed will be loose. Now roots started to grow. The root grows from one side of the bean seed. The root pushes down into the soil, down and down. Dig up the seed number 3. Can you see the root? Does it look like this? This is the root of the seed. You do not see a root. Wait another day. Then dig up the seed number 4. After a few more days, dig up seed number 5. Something else is happening. Little roots will be growing from the big root. They look like tiny hairs. They're called root hairs. Day after day, the roots and the root hairs push down into the soil. Day after day, bean seeds are pushed up. The soil is pushed down and aside. Watch your seeds. Soon you'll see pale shoots push through the soil. A shoot is the beginning of a green plant. A shoot grows towards the sun. This is a shoot. Here's your bean seed as it comes out of the soil. Watch your seeds. Some may have come through the ground. Some may have broken open. Maybe some of your seeds have not started to grow. How many are growing? Can you count them? Very good, Sarah. 2 plants. The bean seeds grow fast. The shoots turn green. The leaves come out next. Now your bean seeds are bean plants. They look like this. Can you see the resemblance between these plants and this plant? Yes. They have leaves and they have the shoots. How many of bean seeds are bean plants? A seed needs many things to grow. One of the things they need to grow is what? Very good, dirt. It needs soil. And what else does it need? Yes, and water. And what else? And it needs the sun. Very good. If the seed has all these things, it will grow into a plant. It will grow into the same kind of plant that it comes from. An apple tree or a daisy, or carrots or corn. It will grow into a clover, or it will grow into a bean plant, like the ones you have planted. So now, children, we are now going to go and we will plant our own bean plants today. Thank you.
Yay!
Good. What's that?